And for the lions of Pindar Reserve, etched into the heart of Zululand, only those with speed and cunning will eat. Andrew Lewis is Habitat Manager at Pindar, one of those committed to the restoration of southern Africa's ecosystem. Pindar is the Zulu word for return, and the aim of his company, Conservation Corporation Africa, is to return the land to its traditional wildlife and at the same time restore the habitat to its original state. He licks the bloated carcass, but still there is no feeding. The older cubs are 10 months now, weaned, but still dependent upon the bumbo for food.